The greatest mystery of the pyramids: how were they really built? Imagine standing in front of a structure so massive that even today, with cranes, computers, and advanced engineering, building an exact copy would be an incredible challenge. Now imagine this. It was built more than 4,500 years ago. No modern machines, no steel, no engines, just human hands. So how did the ancient Egyptians build the Great Pyramid of Giza? Was it simply brilliant engineering? Or is there still a secret hidden beneath the sands of Egypt? Let's uncover one of the greatest mysteries in human history. The Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BC. Originally, it stood about 146 meters or 481 feet, making it the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 4,000 years. It contains an estimated 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks. Many of these blocks weigh between 2 and 15 tons. Some granite blocks inside the king's chamber weigh over 70 tons. Just thinking about moving stones this heavy is enough to make anyone wonder, how was it possible? The ancient builders. For centuries, many people believe the pyramids were built by slaves, but modern archaeological discoveries tell a very different story. Near the pyramids, archaeologists discovered workers' villages. These villages contained homes, bakeries, workshops, tools, and even medical facilities. The workers received food, water, and medical care. Some injured workers even recovered from broken bones before returning to work. This suggests they were skilled laborers who were respected for their work, not slaves forced into labor. Building the Great Pyramid was likely one of the largest construction projects ever organized in the ancient world.
Moving millions of stones. One of the biggest mysteries is transportation. How did ancient workers move millions of heavy stones without modern machines? Many archaeologists believe they placed the blocks on large wooden sleds. Experiments have shown that pouring water on the sand in front of the sled can reduce friction, making it much easier to pull. Ancient Egyptian artwork even shows workers pulling giant statues while another person pours water onto the ground. It is a surprisingly simple idea, yet incredibly effective. Raising the stones. Getting the stones to the pyramid was only part of the challenge. The bigger question is, how did they lift them over 140 meters into the sky? Several theories exist. One theory suggests that workers built enormous straight ramps leading to higher levels. Another proposes spiral ramps wrapped around the pyramid. Others believe there were a combination of internal and external ramps. No single theory has been proven beyond doubt. This remains one of the greatest engineering puzzles in history. Incredible precision. Perhaps the most astonishing part of the Great Pyramid is not its size,
it's its precision. The pyramid is almost perfectly aligned with true north. Its four sides are nearly equal in length. The corners are remarkably accurate. Even today's engineers admire the level of precision achieved thousands of years ago. How did they accomplish this without lasers or GPS? Many experts believe they carefully observe the stars and use simple measuring tools with extraordinary skill. Sometimes knowledge is more powerful than technology. The Mystery Chamber. In 2017, scientists used advanced scanning technology to look inside the Great Pyramid without damaging it. To their surprise, they discovered a huge hidden void above the Grand Gallery. No one knows exactly what this chamber is. Could it be another room? A construction space? Or something entirely different? Until researchers can safely explore it, the answer remains unknown. The pyramid may still be hiding secrets after more than 4,000 years. The wild theories. Whenever people cannot fully explain something,
Theories begin to appear. Some claim the pyramids were built by a lost, advanced civilization. Others believe extraterrestrials helped build them. These ideas are popular in books and on the internet. However, there is currently no scientific evidence supporting these claims. Everything discovered by archaeologists points toward human builders using remarkable planning, organization, mathematics, and engineering. The truth may be less dramatic than science fiction, but it is no less impressive.
What modern science says. Today, most historians agree on several facts. The pyramids were built by ancient Egyptians. The workers were highly organized. Construction likely took around 20 years. Thousands of skilled laborers worked together during seasonal flooding when farming was limited. Even though researchers understand much more than they did a century ago, some questions still remain unanswered. Exactly which ramp system was used? How were the heaviest stones positioned so precisely? What is hidden inside the newly discovered void? Scientists continue searching for answers.
Scientists continue searching for answers.
The Great Pyramid is far more than a giant pile of stones. It is a symbol of human determination, ingenuity, and ambition. Whether every mystery is solved or not, one fact is certain. The people who built this monument achieved something extraordinary. More than 4,000 years later, millions of visitors still stand before it in complete amazement. And perhaps that is the greatest mystery of all, because sometimes
The greatest achievements in history were created not by magic, but by ordinary people who accomplished the extraordinary. If you enjoyed this journey into one of history's greatest mysteries, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from the ancient world.